I tried Canva Forms. Yes, it is fun. It is easy, and maybe basic, but it works. Create a new design. Go to Elements, select New, Shiny Forms option, and, look, there are many options. Okay, this is the first time I'm exploring forms in Canva. There are forms for education, business, feedback, contact, and some more. I will select Feedback category and choose with one question and 3 options for an answer. Let's see which one is there underscore that fits my color theme. Maybe this one. I can always change fonts and colors. Isn't that great? Okay, great. The pre-built form is on the canvas. Like middle of the design, yeah, good. So, we can resize it by dragging corners or middle handles. Let me stretch how big I want it on the canvas. So far it fits it with Canva drag and drop features. Cool. Let me change background color of this form. It should be easy with color picker from the top toolbar. Yes, now I have my mint color background form, matching with my MoneyFlow 360-degree budget planner, which I designed in Canva and available on my website. I've the link in comment section. Please check it out. Now the main part of the form. How do I change the question? Here, is it a text box? No, I can't type or delete these words. Oh, this is just text colors. Good thing I have Canva Forms instructions copied into my design. Let me check it and read the instructions. Okay, I got it. Click the form on the design. Select Edit option from the top bar. And there it is. On the left menu bar you will see options to change the question and its optional answers. Let me change my form. Canva just introduced Forms, a game-changing addition that lets you create, share, and analyze surveys or data collection tools directly inside Canva. Checkmark key features. Drag and drop form builder. Create forms using the same intuitive interface as Canva designs, no coding needed. Fully brandable. Customize forms to match your brand with logos, colors, and fonts. Real-time collaboration. Just like Canva Docs, multiple people can build or edit a form together. Response collection and analysis. View live responses in real time. Automatically generated charts to visualize data instantly. Embed Anywhere. Share as a link or embed on websites. Add forms directly into presentations or documents. Use cases. Internal surveys. Client feedback forms. Event RSVPs. Quick polls during presentations. And so much more. What use cases do you think are such forms useful for? Please comment below. There are different question types to create forms that are smart, stylish, and useful. Multiple choice is perfect when you want your audience to choose one option from a list, like choosing their favorite budgeting tool or selecting their preferred contact method. Use checkboxes when people can select more than one answer. Great for questions like, which features do you use in your planner? Need open-ended feedback? The short answer type is perfect for quick thoughts, suggestions, or other responses. If you're asking for details, like how someone uses their planner or what features they'd like to see, go with a long answer field. It gives respondents plenty of room to elaborate. Need to save space or simplify a long list of options? Use a drop-down menu. And of course, you can fully customize each question, change the wording, rearrange order, or add conditional logic. Coming soon. so questions adapt based on responses. With Canva Forms, you're not just collecting answers, you're engaging your audience with a form that looks great, reflects your brand, and helps you make smarter decisions. I'll embed this form in my website, where I want to know what type of planners you guys like. So here is the share and embed option that I'll grab the link of the form and embed at myreadinglog.net/blog website. Link is in comment section.